Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DoorDash affiliate program for food referrals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the DoorDash affiliate program website. Look for the sign up or join now button on the homepage. Click the button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information such as your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Provide your business information, if applicable. Select your preferred payment method for commissions. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Submit the registration form. Check your email for a confirmation message from DoorDash. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, log into your new affiliate account. Complete your profile by adding any required details. Explore the dashboard to find promotional materials and unique referral links. Use these links to start sharing with potential customers. Monitor your traffic and earnings through the dashboard regularly. Remember to follow DoorDash's guidelines for promoting their services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.